In 8th standard, we will discuss new type of question, poetry appreciation. Today, we will talk about the first poem, A Time to Believe. In exam, the poetry will be given in the exam paper. This kind of question will be given. Read the poem, write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences with the help of following points. Title half mark, poet half mark, theme or central idea 2 marks, rhyme scheme 1 mark, figures of speech 1 mark. Though the question is given point wise, you should not write the answer in point. You have to write down the poetry appreciation in paragraph. The title of the poem is A Time to Believe. The poet of the poem is B.J. Morbidza. For theme, I have written the summary in short in the next paragraph. The poet tries to make us believe that every day is a new beginning. The poet requests us to be optimistic and deal with a positive approach. All of us have great strength to go ahead. We can get up each time we fall. Life is a gift. We must cherish it and live it with best of our capacity. Next, you have to write down about the rhyme scheme and rhyming words. In the poem, we don't have the rhyming words and the rhyme scheme. So, in this point, we will write it is a free verse poem. There are no rhyming words in the poem. Next point is figures of speech. You should not mention all the figures of speeches. Just make the list of it and any one figure of speech with the example you have to write in this point. The poet has used figures of speech such as personification, alliteration and epigram. Synecdoche is used in lines such as the innocence of a child's eyes. It is used for better poetic effect. This way, you have to write down the poetry appreciation in paragraph. Board is expecting all these points in paragraph only.